What's up, guys? We are leaving the apartment today, going to go wash the car and finally show you guys what it is, what's wrong with it, and blah blah blah. A little bit of a cold start right here. Let's see what we got right here. Right back. The maintenance guys at our apartment are staring at me. This car is quite loud on cold start. Whenever I cranked it, the guy shot me a glance. I love the way this car sounds though. So, what are we doing today? We are going to the car wash because this thing is covered in pollen, because this time of year in Mississippi, pollen is awful. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go do that. I gotta go pick up some light bulbs for our apartment and a few other little odds and ends. And we're gonna go to JD's apartment, pick him up and eat lunch. And then I'm gonna show you guys the car when it's clean. And when I get to JD's apartment, actually, I'll show you what it looks like dirty as well. And show you guys everything that's wrong with it, because this car does have a few things wrong with it, and so it's not perfect, but it's built nonetheless. And I'll tell you guys what my plans are all in all for this car. And yeah, so stick around and stay tuned. There's never anybody here to open the gate or whatever when I pull up here, except one person is actually pulling in right now, so here's hoping we can get in here. Okay, so update. I don't think this other person knows how to get in here either. I think they're just typing shit in. I just saw them pull their phone out and the gate never opened. So, I don't know. Another car pulled up, so let's see if they know anything. Haha, these people know. Okay, holy shit, a red wasp just flew in my damn car. Get the fuck out. Get out. Go away. Okay, I don't know where the red wasp went, so I'm gonna just leave the windows down while I'm in here. But let's go ahead and do a little walk around with the car right now while it's dirty. Something squeaking. I guess my exhaust hanger. This thing is ridiculously dirty. Let the windows up a little bit. All right. Go ahead and go beat on this fool's door. Willing to bet this fool is probably asleep, so we'll see. So just washed it. It's fucking hot out here. It's hot out here, ain't it, JD?
It really is. It really do be.
Alright, guys. So, this is everything that's wrong with my 2013 Scion FRS. The biggest thing is this right here. The bumper is a little bit messed up, should I say. The guy said he hit something right before we went to go get it. Like, it was like 2 days before, and he knocked off $1,000 off of the price. And anyway, he said he knocked into like a box or something, and it tore out the fog light surround and the fog light. Now, this car didn't come with these fog lights. This is obviously an aftermarket kit, but they had little LED run lights or whatever in them. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these with some yellow fog lights. Now, that, and then look at the windshield. Right up here, you can tell something hit it, and then it's like split, and then right up here you can tell something hit it and then it split. And that's the only one like that. And then there was something else. Oh yeah, the exhaust on this side. This one right here squeaks like the the hanger is a little fucked up or something. I don't really know, how to fix that. I haven't really looked at it, I don't guess. And then another thing, not really something wrong with it, but more something that I just don't like, is on the factory mirrors, somebody stuck on these little like shitty tow mirror type things to give you like extra angle for seeing, but really all it does is block the view you do have on these mirrors. Like, I don't know what, like those are meant for like on trucks and stuff like that for towing, because it gives you two separate angles, like a wide angle and a regular angle through your mirrors, and on these it just kind of like blocks your view. So I don't really like that all that much, but that's pretty much it as far as what is wrong with the car. There's really nothing wrong with the car, and then there's nothing done to this car anyway but the exhaust. That's it, stock intake and everything. Now you can tell this is aftermarket lights because this is what turns that LED run light on. Well, the light just stopped working. How about that? But anyways, that's pretty much gonna be it, guys. Hope you liked this short little video. This is my 2013 Scion FRS, and yeah. Okay, guys, so the plans for this car are that eventually I want to do a supercharger on it, because I've never done a supercharged build at all before. And the Lexus was a turbo build and everything, and turbos are cool and everything, but they introduce a lot of points of failure into the system, all the pipes and everything. So I just want to try something simpler. And so I think I'm going to go with the Vortec blower, because you can upgrade the unit and the pulleys and everything too to get more power. And so inevitably I want to do a 400 to 450 wheel horsepower supercharged setup. There has been somebody that has made that much with a blower before. I also believe that was a Vortec blowered car. So we're definitely going to need the help of E85 or methanol injection, one or the other, to get pump gas to go that far on these motors. And so that may also mean a built motor setup eventually, which, not gonna lie, I would actually love to do that one day, because I familiarized myself quite a lot with that Lexus and the 2JZ because I'd torn it apart so many times, and eventually I want to get that way with this car. So one day I would like to get another one of these motors and build it on the side too. So yeah, I've already watched a few breakdown videos on building them. They seem pretty simple for the most part, so at least compared to a 2JZ or LS or anything like that. So that's the plan. I want to do an unequal length header, supercharged setup, a methanol injection setup for sure, wheels, tires, and then body kit, stuff like that. Like, I do want new headlights. I want some BRZ style headlights because these FRS headlights are kind of boo-boo. But that's pretty much my short list of things that I want to do to this. Now, I can get in depth with that if we start doing that, but that's the plan currently. I'm about to order some new fog lights for this car so we can go ahead and get that fixed up. So expect an install video of that in about a week probably. And yeah, so we're going to start with that and go from there. So the FRS is here to stay for a little while. I'll provide updates about the 2JZ GTE Turbo Lexus as I have them. I don't really know when it is I'm going to be able to work on it again because I don't have the time really, and I also don't live in the same place anymore. I live about an hour away from that car. So but that is pretty much the plan. I'm going to go ahead and start modding this in the meantime. And so yeah, stick around for this build, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe for more. If you're just checking into the channel, look at my other videos. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Peace.